Hello 12th class, JSR online classes welcomes you once again. So last time we were studying about the matrix, the multiplication of matrix I have told you. So today I am going to start to some new topics. So let's start. The first one is transpose of the matrix. Parivarth. This is denoted by A dash. Suppose we have given a matrix 2, 4, 1, 9 and we have to find it transpose. Transpose we will denote it by A dash. Suppose it will be B, so this would be B dash. What is the transpose of matrix? We just convert row and column each other. Means we exchange the row and column with each other. Means this is row 1 and this is row 2 and this is column 1. When we will find the transpose of A1, then the row 1 will become C1 and C1 will become row 1. Means row 1 replace C1 and C1 replace R1. So this is our row R1. This will become our column C1. This is R2. This will become C2. 1 and 9. This is the transpose of मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है, रो और कॉलम को हमने एक्सचेंज करना है. बस रो का कॉलम बन जाएगा, कॉलम का रो बन जाएगा. सो दिस इज ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. द अनदर टॉपिक इज दैट सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड स्क्यूमेट्रिक. सिमेट्रिक symmetric is a property of the matrix which means A is equal to A dash. A is equal to A dash. This is a symmetric. Suppose I take example. Suppose we have given A is equal to root 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 1 and 1. Suppose if I get its transpose, then what will it? Root 3. This would row 1 will become C1. So this would be root 3, 1, 3. This would be 2. This would be 1. This would be minus 1. This would be 3. This would be minus 1 and this would be 1. So here you are looking that the A dash is also A. A dash is equal to A. So where A will be A dash, this is a symmetric matrix. This is a symmetric matrix. Sammit. In Hindi this would be Sammit. Sammit argue. ठीक है? You got it? And what is skew-metric? What is skew-metric? Another is skew-metrics. Skew-symmetric. Visammit. Yeah, in Hindi you can say Visham Sammit. Visham Sammit. This is A is equal. This would be A dash would be equal to minus A. A dash would be minus A. A dash would be minus A. So when A dash would be equal to minus A, so we can say it is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, got it? Okay, got it? The another thing is, suppose we have to transform it in the addition of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Then how would we do? सपोज हमको इसे विसमित और सम्मित आव्यूह के योगफल के रूप में व्यक्त करना है, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कंसिडर, सपोज वी हैव गिवन A. Okay, suppose we have given A. So first of all we do two steps are there. First step is there. We will consider suppose Q. Q is equal to 1 by 2 of A plus A dash. Because A and A dash are equal, So this would be a plus a, this would be 2a, and 2 and 2 cancel, remaining is a is equal to q. Okay, we will consider it. And then q is, and another is, consider p is equal to 1 by 2 a minus a dash, a minus a dash. And in the last you will add q. Third step is that in the last q plus p would be equal to a. This is a full of processor. Okay, you got it? So I am taking an example, then you will understand it very well. Okay, I am taking example. Suppose this is, we have given a is equal to 3 1 5 minus 1. Okay, now I will do one thing. First of all, I will find it a dash. This would be 3 5 1 and minus 1. Okay, now I'm taking first step is that this is q is equal to 1 by 2 of a plus a dash. This is 1 by 2 of a plus a. Add both the matrix. 3 and 3 6, 5 and 1 6, 5 and 6, and minus 1 minus 2. Okay na? And this will become 1 by 2. Divide it every element with 2. This would be 3, this would be 3, this would be 3, this would be minus 1. Okay, this is our q. And the second step there is that p is equal to 1 by 2 of a minus a dash. Okay, now find it. 1 by 2 a minus a dash. 3 minus 3, this would be 0. 5 minus 1, this would be 4. 1 minus 4, this would be minus 4. And minus 1 and plus 1, this would be 0. Got it? So 1 by 2 is inside, outside. So this would be 0, this would be 2, this would be minus 2, this would be 0. This is our p. And the third step is that p plus q. So add p plus q. Add p plus q. So p, what is p? 3 3 3 minus 1. And q is that 0 2 minus 2 and 0. So this would be 3 and 3. This 3 to 5, 3 minus 2, this would be minus 1 and 0. This would be minus 1. And you can say this is a. This is a. So this is a method to express the symmetric and stoichiometric in addition form. Okay, you got it? सममित और विसमित आव्यूह को योगफल की रूप में प्रदर्शित करना. So now I'm coming to this exercise 3.3. All the questions you can do it very easily. All questions are very easy. Here some questions, no one question is that you can't do it. Okay, every question is very easy. Somewhere you have to find a plus b whole dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. So what will you do? First of all, you will get a plus b, and then you will take its transpose, and here you you will transpose the separately of a and b, and then you will add. The both sides will be equal. Okay. Then question is okay. This exercise has been a very easy exercise. You do all the questions at home. If you get any concern with the questions, any problem with the question, then you can comment, call, WhatsApp, as you wish. You can do it. I will resolve your questions. Okay. Okay. So we will meet tomorrow with the new topics. Is that elementary operation of the matrix. Some elementary operation that we can apply with the matrix, that we will study tomorrow. Okay. So till tomorrow, say goodbye. We will meet you soon. Okay. Goodbye.